Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. It's Nauman Shakir Khan here with your lesson number 4, and the topic of today's lesson is solution of quadratic equations using completing square method. We will understand this method by solving a question. Let us see this example. We have to solve the equation 2x square plus 20x minus 78 is equal to 0. So first of all, what we have to do is to divide this equation by the coefficient of x square, which is 2. That is, divide the equation by 2, which is the coefficient of x square. It will be x square plus 10x minus 39 equals 0. After this, what we have to do is to shift this negative sign, the constant term, to the other side of the equation, and we will get x square plus 10x is equal to 39. Now we have to complete the square on the left side of the equation using this formula: a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. For your convenience, I have written this formula in brackets so that you can understand with the reference of this expression. It is x square plus 2 into x into blank plus blank square plus 39 plus blank square. What does this blank means? It is a square plus 2ab plus b square. In above equation we have only a square and 2ab. We are not having b square in this equation, so we have to add this b square on right side. If you have to add this on right side of on the left side, then you have to write it on the right side of the equation. So what about this number? It will be half of the coefficient of x, because you have written 2 here, you have written x here. If they will be cancelled out on 10x, you will get the answer. It is 10x divided by 2 into x is equal to 5. You have to put this 5 in these 3 blanks in this way. So your new equation is x square plus 2 into x into 5 plus 5 square, which is the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab, or a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is equal to a plus b whole square, and we will write it here as a x square plus 5 whole square is equal to, the right side will be solved and its answer is 64. We have used this equation here to complete the formula. Now what we have to do is to eliminate the square by taking square root on the both sides. On the left side, this square will be cancelled out with the square root, and on the other side you will get its answer by taking its square root by using calculator or by factorization method you will use according to the number given. Here it will be x plus 5, and on the right side it is the square root 8, the square root of 64. Then you will shift 5 on the right side of the equation, it will be minus 5 on the other side, changing its sign, and you will split this equation into 2 separate equations. The first one is x is equal to plus 8 minus 5, and the second one is x equals minus 8 minus 5, and your answers are x is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 13 by solving each of these equations respectively. So I hope you understood this method very clearly. If you have some doubt, you can ask in your WhatsApp group. Your confusions will be cleared in that. Thank you very much, students. In our next lesson we will learn this method again by using some other questions and some other techniques. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.